Hello, everyone, and welcome. What is the master key to enlightenment? Well, Adi Shankaracharya, an 8th century Indian genius, philosopher, sage, has summarized the non dual or Advaita Vedanta in a sentence, which then undoubtedly became the master key for all the spiritual seekers in their pursuit for freedom or liberation or moksha. Adi Shankaracharya says, Brahma Satyam Jagat Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Na Para, meaning Brahman, the reality, is the only truth. The world is not real, meaning it is an appearance, insubstantial, dependent, not factual. And there is ultimately no difference between the individual self and Brahman. Atma equals Brahman. The most common word for Brahman is I or Aham. Based on his statements from other texts, we can extend the first part with the world also is Brahman because there is nothing other than Brahman. It means that the world is not real as matter and mind, but real as awareness or Brahman. Very important to understand this point here. Most of the seekers misunderstand this and think that the world is unreal and does not even exist. This is not the case. Non-existence is an illogical concept, an impossibility. When you experience something, by definition, you are experiencing its reality. You may not know it for what it is. That's all. The background of experience is Brahman or awareness or consciousness, and the foreground just temporary name and form. That is the meaning of the word mithya. It is not what it seems. And this is the essence of Advaita Vedanta. Advaita Vedanta in a nutshell. World is me, the awareness. It is none other than me. But I am free of the world. Religions say an individual self can attain Brahman. But Advaita Vedanta says an individual self cannot attain Brahman because he is Brahman. Only his ignorance, or more precisely, the illusion of ignorance, disappears because reality or Brahman is non-dual, Advaita. Illusion of ignorance because ignorance was never there to begin with. Brahman realizes or claims Brahman through a mind. Brahma Satyam, meaning Brahman is the only absolute truth. Jagat Mithya, meaning world is apparently or dependently real, is indirect knowledge only. It is only the direct knowledge, the knowledge that I am non-different from Brahman, that liberates. indirect knowledge becomes complete knowledge only when it is followed by the knowledge Jivo Brahmaiva na para. The knowledge that I am Brahman alone and there is nothing other than Brahman is thus the complete knowledge. This means that there is no thou and only I remains without an I-ness or me to it. So ultimately, there is not even an I. I in relation to what? Therefore, the ultimate freedom or enlightenment is the freedom from the I or me. It is not of the I or me, but freedom from the I or me itself. It is not of, it is from. So again, Brahma Satyam, Jagat Mithya, Jivo Brahmaiva na para. Meditate on this. Thank you.